Okay, I was tuning up my welder to get everything ready for Alexis' nanovated hydrotherapy system. So I just wanted to check my frequencies and tighten up my skills a little bit. Well, those are spinning. I decided to check my voltages and just tighten my skills a little bit. Okay. These are razor blades. They're not sharp anymore. I took the sharpness off. Pretty cool, huh? Not too bad. I could probably get that a little tighter, but I think that'll do. Got a little love right there, but that's okay. No real specific purpose of these. They're just widgets. So they started off as these two screws right here. But this is what I wanted to show you. These are my new business cards. Sometimes I do just interesting things to amuse myself. So here's the back of the card. Here's the front of the card. PG&E, Pucta Gaseous Fuels and Energy, Fusion, under the Westinghouse distribution. But check this out. There I am, my dear. Governing Chair and CEO. Proton Spin Technology has 33 members in the board. So what I decided to do was each one of the cards, they're just going to be the members' photos. Nothing else. And whatever division, they get their logo for that division. That's it. But what you're looking at, technically, is this is our micro superconductive computer chip BioGem. This is how we ship them and package them. Oops. Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a pack of recording heads. And I have to be extremely careful when I open this container. Okay, so I want you to see this. These are the size components that we machine. Okay. thought you'd like to see that. So, there's a good chance these neat little toys, they're going to be in a mail pretty soon to somebody special for her birthday, because they're neat. Not this one. That's mine. But these are very neat. They spin extremely long. They're very well balanced. Get this over here. Pretty cool, huh? So, not too bad. I clean up the weld a little bit. I think it'll be fine. There's that one. And here's this one. Yeah, these are not really for any particular purpose. All I was doing was just tightening my skills just a little bit. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Happy birthday, my dear.